Hello everyone, this video is going to provide a quick tutorial on how to submit assignments for blog posts specifically. There will be a separate video on how to submit assignments for actual essays. For this particular tutorial, it's going to be important to ensure that you are looking at or have an assignment that does indicate blog post here, okay? When you go into the assignment and you read the assignment description, again, there are separate videos that walk you through this process, but for a quick recap, you'll see the documents here for reading. You'll just download those, a student sample, and of course a reading or response video that will help you on how to respond to actual text. What is going to be important at the bottom, you'll see it says enter web URL, and this is essentially what you're going to be submitting as your completed assignment. To do this, and what I recommend is to open up WordPress and Canvas at the same time and have the tabs open as you see above. So we're going to go to WordPress really quickly. And let's say, just for example, that we're ready to write our response. You're going to go up to the right hand corner where it says write, as indicated there. Now, when you are ready to respond, you'll go through this process, of course, and what I'm going to show you is how to produce the link that you need in order to submit for the assignment. And one thing to point out is once you've done this once, essentially it's going to be the same process over and over, so that's kind of helpful. So as an example, I'm just going to put practice post here. And then this is where my response would go. And once you've reviewed and edited and read through your assignment and you're ready to publish, you will hit the publish button, okay? And then it's going to give you one more opportunity to look over everything, and then you'll hit publish again. This means that it is live, and now those who follow you, including myself and your classmates, will be able to read your assignment. Now, what you'll need, and this makes it quite easy actually, is the address here. So you're just going to hit copy, just as you see there. That means it's copied. And then you're going to go back to Canvas, and down here, you're going to right click and just hit paste, okay? Once you see that, that means your assignment is there, and you'll see that it's the specific assignment for this particular blog. And then you'll hit submit assignment, and that will do it. Okay, and then it keeps track that when you submit it, if you have to go back because you needed to make some changes or edits, that's all right. You'll just hit try again, and then you'll give us the updated link. So let's say you're going to go back and make some changes here, forgot some editing or whatever, you'll just hit update, and then you will have the link one more time, okay? So you can click on view post with the update, and you'll see it's the same one up at the top. And that works just fine, okay? Now, once again, if there's any issues, I'll let you know. If the link isn't working, I'll be sure to contact you and let you know. But otherwise, it's quite simple. Once you have the URL, this is what you'll do for all the blog assignments.